Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Doyle 2-piece demolition screwdrivers. Item number 64859. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. First of all, I want to say that Doyle's, I bought the pliers from Doyle, and I'm very happy with them. They are great tools. They are great pliers. I've been putting them through hell and back, and they hold off pretty good. So I expect the same from these screwdrivers here, demolition screwdrivers. So like I said, we got a 2-piece demolition screwdrivers. It says full length steel core construction, steel striking cap. So they do have a steel striking cap here at the top. It says Phillips number 2, Phillips 6-inch, slotted 5/16 slotted 6-inch. It says high striking. I don't know if you guys can read that. High striking length steel construction for optimum durability. Striking cap at the end of the handle for demolition wear. Comfort grip handles. Reduces hand fatigue, rust protection. Reduces corrosion and increases tool life. Tip type molded on cap for quick tool selection. Made in Taiwan. So usually the tools that are made in Taiwan are a little bit better tools. I'm not saying that China tools are not good, but usually Taiwanese tools are a little bit better. Let's open this package. Alright, there's one. There's the other. Alright, this is the screwdriver here. This is a Phillips. Looks like we do have some sort of magnet tip. This is a striking cap. Alright, the width this way. At the fattest point, it's 0.04. At the tip, .03 or 0.3, and then for the handle, 1.3. That's at the, let's see here, thinnest 0.8, and I guess the thickest part is 1.2. I would say 1.2, 1.3. 1.3, see. It's pretty much like a hex, if you guys see it. Yeah, I got a 1.5 wood screw here.
So I'm going to use the screw here.
Oh, it's slipping. You guys see we already got some damage there. Not really a lot, but we got some damage. Slipping. You gotta put a lot of pressure in there. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna try to do the same thing with the Quinn. This is the Quinn. You guys don't remember this from my previous videos. I did do a Quinn versus Pittsburgh Pro, and this was a better screwdriver than the Quinn or the Pittsburgh Pro. So I'm just gonna do this here on the side. Alright, I'm not gonna keep going because I already got tired. I know that if I keep going, I can do it. As you guys know, this Quinn has a lot of grip. I don't know if it's because it's a striking screwdriver. I don't know if it's because of that. Because if you guys look at the tip, it's already damaged. Not the best. Well, it's not really damaged, but it already has, you can see some use, some wear and tear. As you can see, this one, you guys see the difference? There's no damage on the Quinn, or no visibility of damage in the Quinn. Alright, maybe we got a bad screw here. I'm gonna try, let's see, I'm gonna try a little bit more with this one, with the Doyle. Alright, yep, sliding. See, not getting any grip. See, as I turn it, it just slides, it doesn't grab. See, even if I put a lot of pressure there, it just slips out. We'll try the Doyle on this one. Maybe it's the screw that's messed up. So we're gonna try the Doyle here, as you guys see. Nope, I'm still able to turn it. Do you guys see that? Now we got some slip, but I'm still able to turn it. Oh man, this is hard. But yeah, I gotta say, these Doyle feel real good on the hand and everything, but on this one, I think I'm gonna give it to the Quinn. They are okay. They are. They seem to be okay screwdriver or Phillips. But for this one, I'm gonna give it to the Quinn. Just because it's a lot more. You can get a lot more grip with this. You hardly get any grip with this. You get a lot. Well, you can pretty much. You can get some grip there. Alright, drops. That's how much grip you can get, even upside down. You can leave the thing upside down, and that's how much. Wow, look at this. That's how much grip you can get with this screwdriver. It's upside down, literally. I don't know if the camera's catching this. Yeah, you guys see it? It's upside down. That's how much grip this Quinn has. I gotta say the Doyle's okay, but this Quinn has a lot more grip. It could be because this is a striking screwdriver, but you know, even with the striking screwdriver, you gotta get a good tip in here if you want to be able to use it. We're gonna be testing out the Doyle. We're gonna be striking it out with a hammer, an old hammer here from back when I was a teen. So we're gonna just try to do a hole here, maybe a couple chip it off or something. Gotta say, so far it's holding off pretty good. At least this Phillips, or this flathead. You guys see right there where I strike with the hammer. Little bit of damage, not a big deal. Alright, we got an old disc here with an old disc from an old brake job we did. So we're just gonna do a couple hits here. We're probably at the edge here or something. See if we can get some damage on the tip of this screwdriver. If not, then we should be fine. We should call it pretty good. All right. So we can see here we got a little bit of damage here with the screwdriver at the tip of the, or at the edge of the, you guys could see it, at the edge of the drum there, the inside. And this is the damage we got in the screwdriver, which is no damage whatsoever. So I gotta say, for the striking part, I'm pretty sure these are designed for more for striking than for screwing. Let's see here if I can do a couple more. Do a couple more with this one. Yeah, I'm not gonna damage this, by the way. But yeah, I could see these screwdrivers definitely are designed for impacts here. You can see there's hardly any damage. A few scratches here because of the impacts, obviously. But there's no damage here whatsoever, at least on this flathead, and I can see why these are designed for impact, not really for super gripping like the Quins. Quins have a lot of grip, especially the Phillips has a lot of grip. I gotta say these are okay. My personal, if I'm gonna damage something, if I'm gonna pick a screwdriver to damage it and to put it, to hammer it on the back and obviously to do a hole or to move something, I'm gonna take this out because I know this one's pretty good. This one's strong enough. It'll take the abuse. That's what these are designed for. So definitely gonna use it for that. But if I'm gonna be just screwing some screws, especially if they're woodworking or something like that, or maybe a couple of hoses, something that's able to do with your hand, I'm definitely gonna take out the Quins over these, just because if I have these I'll use them, but I'm not gonna if I have a choice I'm gonna pick the Quins. So anyways, this is just my review for this for these screwdrivers. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.